Hello makers, I'm Mukul Sagar from Avishkaar and today I'm going to show you one cool project idea for this month IoTM competition. Here I have a Makerboard in my hand and it can actually detect the count I'm showing through my fingers and can display the same on the screen. So for example, if I'm showing 1, it is showing 1. If I'm showing 2, it will show 2. If I'm showing 3, it is showing 3. If I'm showing 4, it is showing 4. And if I'm showing 5, you can see it is showing 5. So let's understand how I am controlling this. I'm controlling this with the help of the new AI mode of Avishkaar Maker Studio. If you want to learn how to use the AI mode of Avishkaar Maker Studio and make some cool projects like this, or maybe you want to control your robots and machines with AI and want to win the IoTM competitions of this month, then you need to do just one simple task. You need to attend the Avishkaar IoTM webinar on 19th of August at 4 pm. The details are in description. I will be telling you how to prepare for the competition, how to use this AI mode, and how you can create many different projects with the help of AI mode. So don't forget to join the AI webinar and learn some cool tech. Till then, keep making and keep learning.